Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best PC power button available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: odd-tone PC power button. This extended PC power switch cable is a smart and practical upgrade for desktop users who want easier control over their system without reaching under the desk. With a button that works from up to 1.65 meters away, it is especially useful for setups where the PC tower is placed in a hard-to-access location. Installation is simple and plug-and-play, connecting directly to standard ATX motherboard front panel headers, JFP1, without any complex wiring. The integrated 5V blue LED provides a clear visual indicator of power status, adding both functionality and a modern aesthetic touch to the setup. Its removable adhesive mounting options allow flexible placement on desks, monitor stands, or PC cases, effectively turning any workspace into a convenient control hub. Reinforced cables with strain relief improve durability and prevent damage over time, ensuring stable long-term performance. Next up, we have DKE PC power button. This PC power switch extension cable is a simple yet highly practical solution for users whose desktop towers are placed in hard-to-reach areas. With a generous 2-meter cable length, it allows convenient power control from a comfortable position, eliminating the need to bend down or reach behind the case. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a basic connection to the motherboard's power SW and HDD LED headers, along with easy mounting using the included adhesive pad. Despite its functionality, the switch itself is compact and lightweight, measuring just 2.1 cm x 2.1 cm and weighing about 1 ounce, making it easy to place anywhere on a desk or nearby surface. The included accessories, such as a splitter cable and 3M adhesive stickers, enhance flexibility in setup and placement. Coming in at number 3, Ultra PC power button. This premium PC power button module is a well-engineered solution for home, server, barebone, and custom water-cooled builds where reliable external or internal power control is needed. Constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it offers excellent durability, resisting corrosion, scratches, and accidental drops far better than standard plastic alternatives. Its premium metal finish not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures stability against temperature fluctuations and EMI interference for consistent performance. Designed for flexible installation, it can be powered via a motherboard USB 2.0 header or a PCIe slot, one at a time, with BIOS settings support such as always-on USB and ERP disable for proper operation. The included USB 2.0 header extension and adhesive mounting option allow easy placement inside or outside the case, making it highly adaptable for different builds. Now at number 4, Aquaway PC power button. This wireless desktop PC power switch offers a highly convenient way to control your computer remotely, eliminating the need to reach under the desk or access the case directly. With a wireless range of up to 10 meters, it allows users to power their system on or off from anywhere in the room, making it especially useful for home offices, gaming setups, or studio environments. Installation is simple and universal, requiring only a connection to the motherboard's F_panel power SW header with no drivers or software needed, ensuring a true plug-and-play experience. The inclusion of a dedicated PCIe receiver enhances signal stability, reducing interference and ensuring reliable performance even in busy electronic environments. A short press function provides intuitive control, while the battery insulation strip reminder ensures proper first-time set. And finally, our last pick: SnoovyX PC power button. This external PC power switch is a practical and user-friendly solution for systems where the original power button is difficult to access, such as water-cooled builds, barebone setups, or custom chassis configurations. It provides convenient access to the power function without needing to open or reach behind the case, improving overall usability. Installation is straightforward, requiring simple connections to the power SW and power LED headers on the motherboard, followed by peel and stick mounting using the included adhesive, allowing flexible placement anywhere on the case or desk. Its versatile wiring design makes it suitable not only for new setups but also as a replacement for damaged chassis buttons, with routing options through drive bays, fan openings, or expansion slots. The included 1:2 splitter adds extra convenience by enabling simultaneous use of both the original and external power buttons. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.